On SMEs, they will have now one legislation for all 28 member states of the EU, so a European-wide legislation, and so far then simplification of law, but on the other hand also some more administrative burdens.
There's always a danger that you can go overboard with any legislation, and particularly legislation that many people see as targeting maybe the big companies like Google and Facebook and so forth, that it could be overburdensome on SMEs, and that is something we have to be very careful about. Now in Parliament we speak a lot about subjecting legislation to the SME test, and certainly in this regard it has to be done very carefully, because it's such a big area that everybody is more or less using data now, that you have to be very careful that we do not strangle SMEs in the process of trying to protect the data subject.
We went through all the obligations that SME, which do not process that data in a very advanced way, would have to comply with them. So it turns out that the number of documents that would have to be produced raised significantly, and what's more, the cost of compliance, which basically means paying an external law firm for providing, for fulfilling all the obligations, would rise 9 times comparing to the current state.